If he come down out of that tree and get after you one more time, I'm gonna know something is wrong.
Walk over there,
Walk
Iz.
towards me, Islam.
That bird is not like this.
The bird hit him twice. Damn, he was on that darn pull-up bar.
It's gotta be a nest up.
Yeah, it is. But Tony said that though yesterday.
What?
He said that it was a bird out here attacking people that got on the pull-up bar.
He just flew over there.
Oh, he gone there. You good?
It's in that tree.
I heard him.
Let's see if he comes back.
Look, he looking. He must figure we ain't doing nothing to hurt him. He ain't think about him hurt.
I just want to do a couple of.
That was funny.
Yeah.